Hello, my dear friend. Welcome to this last video of today, which is exclusion questions. So, exclusion questions, how do we do? We already discussed about inclusion questions. Now we'll see exclusion. Again, there will be two things. Okay, when there is an exclusion, what will happen? One person goes out. If one person goes out, what can happen is one is average will increase. Now you think why it will increase? Second situation, exclusion and average will decrease. Why it will decrease? Okay. Now we'll try to understand it very clearly. I had told you a little bit a clue when we were starting the first video, I think. Now I'll tell you exactly. Why does it increase? Why it increases? Because the outgoing person, now we'll call him as outgoing person, him or her, you don't worry about it. Outgoing person had has given back whatever he had. We had a rule. Do you remember? If anybody goes out, he has to take only what is belonging to him. What the group has given or what he has given to the group has to be exchanged. Okay. Now, because this person was there, everybody else had given. When he goes out, he will give them back. Remember this. He had less, so he gives them back. He had less. Remember, he had less, therefore he will give back to the group. He will give back to the group, therefore it will increase. Are you able to follow me what I am saying? Because he has less, okay, the group had contributed when he was in the group. So when he goes out, he has to give back to the group. Correct? He has to give back to the group. Therefore, the average will increase. In this case, what will happen? The outgoing person will have more. So when he was in the group, he had contributed to other people. He had given to other people. He had more. He was given. When he goes out, these people have to give him. They have to give him back. Therefore, it will decrease. Everybody will give one or two to him because this is belong to you too. This chocolate is what you had given when you were there. Now you are going back. You take your chocolates back. When he takes chocolates back, the average will decrease. Are you able to now understand exactly? Right, my dear friend. So let us solve some questions. Average weight of 11 students is 30 kg. If the average weight increases by 0.5 kg when Suresh, one of the students, leaves the group, what is Suresh weight? Okay. Now what is happening here? Increasing. Why it is increasing? Because he is giving them back. How much he is giving them back? He is giving 0.5. So let us understand this one. So this is 11 students are there and their weight is 30 kg. Average weight is 30 kg. Right? Now when Suresh goes out, okay, he is going out now. So what has happened? He is giving 0.5 back to them. But how many people? Now the number will be 10 people because one person has gone out, minus 1. So now this person is giving how much? 0.5 to each of them. 0.5 to each of them. When he was in the group, he was having how much? 30 with him because that was the average. Now it has increased because he is giving these 10 people 0.5, which will get added here. Are you able to understand? And this is nothing to do with our calculation, so we will just ignore this. What is happening is, why it is increasing is, Suresh is giving 0.5 to how many people? See here, 10 people. So how much? 10 into 0.5. He is giving them each one 0.5. How many people are remaining now? 10 people are remaining. Therefore, how much he will give back? He will give 5 back. So it will be how much? 25. weight was 25 kg. Suresh weight is 25 kg. Did you understand? Did you understand or not? Right, my dear friend. Right, my dear friend. If you want to do the traditional method, I don't stop you. You can anyways do it, no problem at all. Okay, let us go to the next question now. The next question reads, the average height of 27 persons was recorded as 162 centimeters. If the height of Shreyas was deleted from the observation, the height reduced by 1 centimeter. Now it is reducing, that was increased, reduced. Now it is reduced. So 27 persons height is how much? 162. Now, when one person is reduced, 26 people come, then what will happen? The height is reduced by 160. That reduced by 1. So it is 161. Now, what was Shreyas? So Shreyas, when he goes out, why it will get reduced? Because this person has given to these people, and they will give him back. Are you getting my point? They will give him back, therefore it gets reduced. One chocolate will be given to Shreyas, who had how much? He had 162 already, plus these 26 people will give him back. Not 27. This is very important. One person will be less, so that you have to understand. This is the old average only. This is nothing to do. I told you. This is nothing to do with the calculation now. When we are doing inclusion, this was important. But when we are doing exclusion, this is not important. The old one is only important. So 162 plus 26. He had 162 plus he had given all 26. They are giving him back. So how much it is? How much it is? Okay, options are something wrong here. So pardon me. I will change the options here. Okay. So we'll find out the answer and then we'll do it. 188. What is the answer? 188. Forget these options. This might be some typographical error. The answer is 188. You can do it and see for yourself. Okay. Right. Let us go to this next question. This is might be your favorite question because Virat is there. Who is this Virat? You know who this Virat is. The average score of Virat in 20 matches is 50 runs. The average score of Virat in 20 matches is 50 runs. If the latest match is not considered, his average will decrease by 1 run. His average will decrease by 1 run. How much has he scored in the latest match? Now, I am aware that the average score that is calculated in cricket is different. They will consider till he is out. If he is not out for some matches, then that will not be considered as a match and it will continue. The score will continue. Here we are not considering that. We are considering that 20 matches means 20 matches, whatever he has scored divided by 20 matches we have got. So this is normal average, not the average that is shown in the cricket matches. So that is a disclaimer. So we'll understand. So 20 matches, okay, and average runs is 50 runs. Okay, if the latest match is not considering, his average will decrease by 1 run. It will decrease by 1 run. So now what will happen? There is 19 matches now. This latest match, why it will decrease? I have already told you why it will decrease, because this latest match will have more. How much it will have more? I am not bothered. Again, I told what will be a new average. We are not bothered. This latest match had 50 for itself, and it had given how much? 19 to others. 19, which will be given back to him. The latest match will take its all runs. So it had given 19 to all of them. So it will take it back. So the answer is 69. The answer is 69. So 50 plus 19 will be 69. You can see these are all questions we can solve very easily. Let us now see this question. The average age of 100 nurses in a nursing home in 1982 was 50 years. In 1984, 20 nurses retired from their job whose average age was 60 years. After a huge gap in 1987, 40 nurses were employed whose average age was 38 years. The average age of all the nurses in 1990 was. So you can see this is how much complicated. So let us see. This is there is both of them are there. There is inclusion, there is exclusion. Everything is going on. So let us see whether we can solve this question easily. So let us put the data whatever is given here. How many nurses were there? Nurses were 100, and the average was how much? Average was 50. When it was, so here the year is also important. So year is 82. In 82 it was 50. In 84, after 2 years, what will happen? The first thing, 20 nurses. 20 nurses are retiring. 20 nurses are retiring whose average age is 60. Now with this what we'll do? When 20 nurses retired from there whose average was 60 years. Now we'll try to put the information here. Now in 84, after 20 people go, what will happen? The nurses will be 80, and these people, see, 20 people are having 60. But before that, when they were in the job, the average age will be increased by 2. Why? Because 2 years everybody will be increased by 2. Now what will happen here? What will be average of 84 after these people will go? That we need to understand. This 52 is of 100. Sorry, here I'll write 100 and then we'll try to understand it. It will be 52. Out of that, 20 people will get retired. 20 people will get retired means 80 people will remain. 80 nurses will remain. What will happen to the average? We'll try to find out. How much they are having more here? 52 was the average, right? How much they are having? They are having 8 each more. 8 each one years they are having more. So how much they are having totally? They are having 160 years more. Correct? 20 people having 8 more. Now this 160 will be given back to whom? It will be taken from these 80 people, right? This will be taken because they are having more, so they will take their age and go. Understood? When exclusion happens, if the outgoing is having more, then the average will decrease. Now it is the reverse. When the outgoing is having more, then the average will decrease. We have seen it before. I'll just show you here. Okay, when outgoing is having more, right, the average will decrease. Average will decrease. So therefore, it will decrease. By how much we will have to find out? 160 years they will take out. Now try to understand. 160 years divided by how many people have to give them 160 years? 80 people have to give them 160 years, which is equal to 2 years. So their average will be decreased by 2 years. That will be how much it will become? Again it will become 50. Understood? Again it will become 50. Now after a huge gap in 1987, 40 nurses were employed. Before they were employed, so we'll add here 40, not 30. 40 nurses were employed whose age was 38, whose average age was 38. Okay. Before that, what was there? These 80 people were there, and their age, their average was what? 53, because when 84 to 87 they will increase by 3 years, so it will be 53. Now these 40 people are coming whose average age is 38. Now again what will happen? New people are coming here. When new people are coming and their average age is less, then the average will be less. Now this is reverse. This is reverse. Here this is inclusion. Inclusion, when included person is less, then the average will become less. That we have seen in the previous video, right? So how much less? Now what will happen to the total number of people? That is what we need to understand. Total number of people. Now what is the difference here? How much they are having less? Each one is having 15 less now. Can you see here? 53 minus 38, each one is having 15 less. Now everybody has to become equal. everybody has to become equal. So when everybody has to become equal, what we need to do, you see these. So there are 80 people who will have to give 20 people, 40 people. 80 people have to give to 20 people. Now this is coming. How much can they give? How much can they give? Right. That is what we need to understand here. If each one of them give one, what will happen? 40 people will receive two. Are you getting my point? If each one of them will give one, then each one will get two here. Correct? Are you getting my point? For every one given by 80 people, the 40 people will get double. So that is what we need to understand here. We need to understand whatever we subtract here, we have to add double here because there are 40 people. Are you getting my point? 53 is the average. So whatever I lessen here, I have to double add here. Whatever I subtract from 53, I have to double it to add here. So when I see 15, I get that here I will subtract 5 and here I will add 10. It will be okay. Each one will give 5. Okay. And whenever one gives 5, two people, one person will get 5 plus 5 here. This you need to understand. If you are not able to understand, you have to go through again, try to understand, and then you will be able to find out. So 53 minus 5, if I make, it will be 48, and 38 plus 10 I make 48. So 48 is your answer. 48 is your answer. This looks like a little complicated. It is time consuming, there is no doubt at all, but it is not complicated. It is whatever we have learned till now, everything together in one question. So this is where mains kind of questions where 2 marks, 3 marks will be there. So this is the kind of question they will ask. So this is very easy. If you go through and then use your head, you will be able to solve it within maybe 40-45 seconds easily. Okay. So if you are not able to understand, please once again repeat everything what we have done. Go back and then see the whole solving of the question once again, and then you will understand it definitely. I am 100% sure. Okay. So let us complete the today's session. Again, there are questions on average which we are going to see tomorrow, like consecutive numbers and then errors. All these things will be there, so that we'll see in the tomorrow's video. Till then, what you have to do is, in front of you, task today. Do what makes you happy for half an hour. Whatever, it may be a hobby, it may be sports, it may be driving, it may be just sitting somewhere, it may be no watching TV and watching movies, that you do. All other things, not like I like browsing for Facebook will make me happy. No, no electronic gadget, without electronic gadget. So that I should write. So no electronic gadget, whatever it is. No TV, no cinema. Okay, no mobile, no tablet. All these things are not allowed. Okay, you can hear music. That is good. So you can hear music. You can go cycling. You can go walking. You can drive. You can paint. You can maybe read some novel or something, or you can write if you want any poem or something. Anything, any hobby that doesn't require any electronic gadget except music. Music, you can only music, nothing else. All off. Even you can put it in aeroplane mode if you are listening to music, and half an hour you just do what you feel like. You can even dance. Okay, or anything else. Got it? So let us meet in tomorrow's video. Till then, you are going to solve the questions that are given in the assignment. I'm going to give in the assignment. So whatever questions you can solve, please solve from that PDF.